lost my labubus with me. Hey guys, what is up? It's Ash the cat, and I'm tired. That's why I'm wearing my sunglasses. I'm tired, y'all. And I'm tired! You guys have probably already seen me unbox these labubus. My girlfriend, also known as my labubu plug, Brooke, has gotten me all my labubus. She texted me the link one day. She's like, here's the live, they're about to drop. Have a seats. And I was like, okay, I clicked on it. As soon as I clicked on it, not a second later, all the have a seats dropped. And I just got one. I bought one and it went through and I was like, okay. Then I went back and I swear this is the longest time I've ever seen them have a drop. I was like, let me try for a box. Boom. It was a joke. It started as a joke. Like, let me see if I can get a box. I got a box. I want to see if I got the secret one in here. It's fun to open and a lot of people enjoy them. A lot of people think I just buy these labubus and hoard onto them and just use them on my own, but that's actually not the case. This is Baba. Gee, I don't know. But I've been giving them away to family and friends, like mostly kids. If I'm around someone and they're exuding like major labubu energy, like they're about to cry because they're like, I've always wanted a labubu and I never could get one. Chances are I'm gonna give you my labubu. And these, I forgot to show you, these come in the boxes so you know which one it is. And this is hee. I really feel so lucky that I'm able to get these, and if I can give them to people and I just know it's gonna make their day, yeah, I'm gonna give them away. I have given a lot away actually, so I'm trying to kind of build up my collection again. Holy shit. Guys, this is the rare freaking labubu. Are you kidding me? I cannot believe it. Oh my god! Like, keep looking. I cannot believe it. We got the rare labubu. Oh my god! Can I tell you, I just screamed. I know you saw it, but I literally had to Google. Yes, it is the rare labubu. I think they said 1 in 72. I don't know. I texted everyone close in my life, like, I got a rare labubu! And I freaked out, and I was totally not expecting to even get this. Like, I never go into something being like, yeah, I just know I'm gonna get the rare labubu, but I got it. I'm so happy. Okay. Wow. I'm shocked, y'all. Sissy. Dada! I think I had gotten rid of all my data, so glad to have one back. I love you guys. See you next video.